Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can rank up fast on Dress to Impress to get that trendsetter name, title, whatever, and to get the dress as well. So to do so, you're just going to go to the Dress to Impress Roblox Discord server, which I've done that. And here you're going to find the playing one. I haven't been there in a while, so let me just find it first. Playing. There we go. And here you're just going to scroll down, and then you're going to find a farming server. Do not go in the honest cosplay server because they will rate you as is. And just find one. Here, farming server. Must vote everyone 5 stars. And you're just going to click the link and it's going to redirect you into a server. And you're just going to basically, it's like on this website here. And it says Roblox is now loading. Select open and it's going to open the app. And you're going to go on. If it says your position in line is 3, that means the server is full. So just wait for more farming servers to pop up. Make sure you vote everyone 5 stars as well as they vote you 5 stars. I don't do this anymore. I just do it because I really wanted the trendsetter dress. But that is pretty much how you can rank up on DTI. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I'm just gonna show you what I mean. So when you rank up, you'll get this dress as well as this bag when you're a runway queen and when you're a trendsetter. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!